Descript Overdub Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this Descript Overdub review, where I'll share my experience with this cutting-edge text-to-speech and voice cloning tool. If you're considering using Overdub, links to the product are in the description below to help you explore further. Descript Overdub is a feature within the Descript platform that allows you to create synthetic voiceovers that sound remarkably human. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, podcaster, or video editor, Overdub can revolutionize your workflow by enabling you to generate or modify voiceovers without needing to re-record audio. The standout feature is its AI-driven voice cloning, which allows users to create a replica of their own voice or choose from pre-built, professionally designed voice models. The voice cloning process is straightforward but secure. To create your custom voice, you'll record a sample script provided by Descript, ensuring the AI has enough data to replicate your tone, inflection, and speech style accurately. For ethical reasons, voice cloning requires explicit consent, which is a reassuring aspect of Overdub's responsible AI use. Overdub integrates seamlessly into the Descript platform, allowing you to edit text and simultaneously adjust the audio. For example, if you're working on a podcast and spot an error in the script, you can type the correction, and Overdub will generate a revised voiceover, saving time and ensuring professional results. The real-time preview feature is a major plus, giving you instant feedback on how changes will sound. One of the best aspects of Overdub is its natural-sounding AI voices. The tool excels at producing lifelike audio with minimal robotic undertones, making it ideal for projects requiring high-quality narration. Moreover, its shock collaboration tools let teams work together seamlessly by sharing and editing scripts directly within the platform. In summary, Descript Overdub is an innovative and highly practical tool for anyone needing efficient and natural-sounding voiceovers. Its voice cloning capabilities, easy integration, and ethical approach make it a standout choice. If you're curious to explore what Overdub can do for your projects, check the links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I hope this review helps you decide if Descript Overdub is right for you.